Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel VBA code tutorials. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to copy data from one Excel sheet to multiple Excel sheets or selected Excel sheets automatically using Excel. So let's start the tutorial. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I have created one new book 1 Excel. The workbook name is a book 1. Right now in this book 1 contains only sheet 1. Now let's add some more Excel sheets. I have added 5 Excel sheets in this book 1 workbook. Now my aim is whatever the data enter in the sheet 1, I want to reflect to all the sheets or only the selected sheets. For that, the easiest way is, first I am selecting the sheet 1. Now the second step is, this is the main data sheet. Now press Ctrl. I want to copy whatever the data enter here in sheet 2 and sheet 4 only. I want to copy that whatever they enter the data in sheet 1. But whereas in sheet 3 and sheet 5 we have not selected, so it will become blank only. Notice here the sheet 1 font color is green color, whereas in sheet 2 and sheet 4 are in black color. So whatever, this is the parent, sheet 1 is the parent, whatever the data enter here, it will copy into the sheet 2 and sheet 4. So let's add here. We are in sheet 1 right now. Let's add some colors here. COLORS colors, red, blue, green and orange. I have added 4 colors here. Now let's check. If I press sheet 3, it's blank here because we have not selected. I don't want to copy the data whatever in the sheet 1. I don't want to copy in the sheet 3 and sheet 5. We have not selected these 2 sheets, but we have selected in sheet 2. See here, the sheet 2 we got all that data here, and also in sheet 4 also we got. Now if you check here, if I change to blue to black here, now again switch over to sheet 2, see here the data is not changing in sheet 4 also because we have not selected. So make sure if you want to impact or update the data whatever entered in the sheet 1, you must select the sheets. Now here sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 4. Now from black to, I am adding purple. Now if you check here, see here, it becomes purple, and in sheet 4 it's purple. Now if you want to add some font colors also, let's select sheet 2, sheet 4. I am selecting in green color, red, and this one also red. Now sorry about that, I have selected the sheet 2, so it will copy whatever the changes here in sheet 2, it will reflect in the sheet 4. See here, red, green, because I have selected sheet 2 instead of sheet 1. So again the colors, now let's check here in sheet 2. See here, we have changed the formatting. We have formatted the colors, and we have put the data in the middle of the cell. Now this is the one method. Now the second method is using the formula. So first let's delete this all. Now let's using the formula. Now I want to only display in the sheet 3 only using the formula. Whatever the data I enter here, Charan. Now switch over to sheet 3. Let's add is equals to, now this sheet 1 Charan I want to add in sheet 3. In K6 cell, switch over to sheet 1, copy this one B4, I'm copying this one. Now go to sheet 3, see here, let's delete this one and add sheet 1 B4, enter. So we got here sheet, the data whatever enter in sheet 1, it's copied in sheet 3, the selected cell. Now I'm adding some more data here, some Jolly, Vijay, Jack, Peter, Varun. Now if you notice in the sheet 3, the data is not added here, but the simple thing is just select the cell. We have applied already the formula into this cell. Now take the cursor to this corner of the cell. Notice the cursor become black color. Now drag whatever the data we have here, it's copied here. And notice here we got zeros also because we don't have any zeros here. We have dragged up to over here, that's where it's showing zeros. Again the same thing, if you add the column wise, row wise, colors, fruits, cars, I have added cars also. Now again go to sheet 3, select the cell 1 because this is the main formula we have added here and the data will get here. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to copy data from one Excel sheet to multiple or selected sheets dynamically, automatically. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.